The more complex the strategy is, the better. No? Again, the last point is, the more complex the strategy is, the better. Okay? And to be honest, no, as you traders, gusto mo yung parang, how do I explain that? Yung parang spark, yung parang glamour, nung parang ang ganda tignan nung charts mo. Yung parang lahat ng klaseng linya nandyan, no? Tapos may mga oscillators ka, may mga trend lines, ang dami mong, lahat talagang pwede mong ilagay. Tapos very futuristic looking nung charts mo. To be honest, yeah, it looks nice, no? To be honest, it looks nice if you're a new trader, no? Kasi yun yung parang nai-imagine mo what trading is. But to be honest, it's not, no? Hindi ho, no? If you're already trading for a while now, after a while mapipikong ka na kapag ang daming nakalagay sa charts. Kasi hindi mo na makita yung presyo, no? Remember, price is still king. Yung mga indicators po na nandyan, anything that you plug into your charts, ang ginagawa lang yan mostly is ina-analyze yung current data. It's just giving you a different view of your charts. But whatever you're seeing there, it's still coming from your charts. Dun pa rin siya galing, no? So, adding lots of unnecessary things on your charts becomes a hindrance, no, dun sa trading natin. So, hindi po pag mas maganda yung itsura ng charts nyo, automatic mas maganda na yung trading. Hindi ho. To be honest, when I started adapting a minimalist type of trading strategy, saka ako actually kumita nung nakikita ko na yung charts. Kasi nung una, nagmumukhang fruit ninja yung charts ko nun eh. Hindi ko alam kung nabutan nyo pa ba yung fruit ninja. Mga unang game nung touchscreen eh, no? Pero, ganun yung itsura nung charts. So, ang dami mong linya, hindi mo na makita yung presyo. Lahat ng klaseng indicator sinalpak ko. Tapos ang trading ko noon, no, kunwari may 10 indicator na nagsabi ng buy, 10 indicator na nagsabing sell, o tatapo mo na yung laptop mo, no? Hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin. So, yun yung tandaan nyo po yun, no? Try to keep things simple. Kung ano yung ilalagay nyo sa charts nyo, yung kailangan nyo lang. Tandaan nyo, yung mga nilalagay nyong items dyan, it should only help you analyze the charts. Okay? It should only help you. Kung unnecessary siyang nandun, hindi mo siya nagagamit, hindi mo alam kung para saan siya doon, or nagiging redundant siya, kunwari naglagay ka ng 10 oscillator, malamang pare-pareho lang naman siguro yung sinasabi niya nito. So maybe one is already enough. So you don't need all of them. Okay? So, yan. It doesn't mean na kapag komplikado tignan or napakaganda tignan ng charts nyo, automatically mas profitable. No. Actually, more often than not, the simpler the charts, the better yung results ng trading nyo. Okay? So, yun. That's actually the 5.
May tinatawag din na oversimplified. No? Pag sinabing simple, it doesn't mean incomplete. Okay? Baka mamaya, iwan nyo na lang, line chart na lang. Kung kaya nyo mag-trade, why not? Diba? Pero, hindi ibig sabihin, tatanggalin nyo lahat. Okay? Gamitin nyo yung kaya nyo gamitin. Kung nakakatulong sa inyo, lagay nyo. Huwag nyo, parang ano kasi, yung may nagsabi dito, naked charting, diba? Maganda yung naked charting kung kabisado nyo na basahin sila. Okay? Sa naked charting kasi binabasa nyo na doon yung galaw ng market, hindi yung chart itself, no? So mostly parang price action. So halos ganoon din naman kami. Pero may indicators lang kami para mas mabilis sila makita, di ba? So kaysa lang makita ko, bibilangin ko pa, ilan yung malalaking kandila para malaman, iba na ba yung galaw ng market? Nandiyan yung Bollinger Bands. Nag-iiba na ba yung laki? So, titignan ko pa ayoko naman i-ruler isa-isa nung kandila. Lumiliit na to para masabing wala na momentum. Andiyan yung Bollinger o yung RSI. So, bababa na yung average nun. So, know your indicators. If it works for you, logically, then use it. If not, pwedeng tanggalin, di ba? Kung pwedeng tanggalin, hindi tanggalin. Kasi nakakadagdag din sa execution time yun.